There are 18 indigenous ethnic groups living in the Philippines. They are called Lumad in the southern Philippines, a Cebuano term meaning native or indigenous, a short for Katawang Lumad. Different beliefs, language, and culture, but we only need one, respect. Respect to one another. We should all be catalysts of change in promoting respect among others, and start to help those who are in need for the betterment of our community.
So how do we do this? Una, healthy living. May access tayo sa sapat na medical attention, nakakapag-exercise, at may proper diet and nutrition.
Sexually responsible din tayo at informed sa risks.
Pati sa mental health, full support din para sa mga kabataan.
Lahat tayo may access sa quality education.
Kumpleto sa gamit ang bawat classroom at mahusay na ang lahat ng teachers.
So we can all be globally competitive.
After graduation, we have options kung anong field ang gusto natin pasukin. Artist ka ba?
Pwede.
Professional?
G rin.
At kung gusto mo mag-business?
Why not?
Ano man ang ating status in life, we're all in this together.
Walang iwanan, kasi pantay-pantay tayong lahat.
Nire-respeto at sumusunod din tayo sa batas.
And we help build a safe and peaceful place to live in.
We're also conscious of our impact to the environment.
Para siguradong ma-enjoy at mapapakinabangan ng susunod na henerasyon ang ganda at likas yaman ng Pilipinas.
And we're ready to lead.
Gamit ang ating innovative ideas, talents, at pagmamahal sa bayan to introduce change in our communities.
Pwedeng sa government
O sa non-government organizations.
Ang mahalaga, makabuluhan ng ating contribution
Sa ating bayan at sa buong mundo.